Morning students, how are you all? Students, let us continue with exercise 7.3. It's question number 10. In how many of the distinct permutations of the letters in the word Mississippi, MISSIPPI, do all the four I's not come together? Now, while we have to do this question, we will make the planning here. First of all, we will find out the total number of the letters here. So, total letters, if you will count, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 letters are there, students. Right? There are 4 I's, 4 P's, and no, 2 P's are there, 4 S is there. Right, students? So, how many words, number of words formed by all letters, that will come as equal to 11 factorial upon 4 factorial, 4 factorial, 2 factorial. We will make the use of the theorem number 1 that I have told you. This is 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 into 1. This will cancel out, students. 4 2s are 8, 8 will also cancel out. Here 3 2s are 6, 6 will also cancel out. Now we will multiply 11 into 10 into 9 into 7 into 5, and student, it will come as equal to 34650. Right? These are the words formed by all the letters. Now students, in the second case, what we will do, we will find out all the 4 I's together. If we will take all the 4 I's together, it will form a one letter, right? And the remaining words that we have left now, that is 4 S S S S P P, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 letters are these, and these all the 4 I's will be together. This is new letter, if we can say. This letter is X, new name I have given, so here we will write this X. Means now total letters we having, that is equal to 8. Now word formed by four I's together, that is equal to 8 factorial upon 4 factorial into 2 factorial, and it will come as equal to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial into 2 into 1. So 2 4s are 8, and students, we will multiply them, and it will come as equal to 840. Now student, this is the word formed by 4 I's together. This is the total number of the words are formed. Now if we need that, how many words are formed that I will not come together? Words that I not together. So what you will do, students? आपके पास टोटल नंबर ऑफ द लेटर इज गिवन 45650 minus 840 we will do, and it will come as equal to 33810, and that will be the answer of the question. क्या किया हम इस क्वेश्चन में, पहले हमने नंबर ऑफ द वर्ड्स जो हैं वो पूरे लेटर्स जितने भी हमारे 11 लेटर्स थे उसके लिए फाइंड आउट कर लिए। फिर यहाँ पे दूसरे केस में बच्चों मैंने क्या किया, 4 आइज़ के लिए 4 आइज़ कमिंग टुगेदर उसके लिए निकाल लिया। अब हमने 4 आइज नॉट कमिंग टुगेदर के लिए निकालना है, नॉट टुगेदर के लिए अगर निकालना है तो टोटल लेटर्स में से जो नंबर ऑफ़ द वर्ड्स बन रहे थे जिसमें 4 आइज जो हैं वो देवर कमिंग टुगेदर, वो माइनस कर दिया और आपका जो आंसर है बच्चों यहाँ से बन गया 33810। दिस इज़ द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। Students, let us come with question number 11. In how many ways we can letter that is of the word that is permutation is given. This word is permutation, permutations. Permutation word is given, and here first of all we will count the letters 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So total letters are 12 here, right students? Now our question number 1 is there that the words starts with the letter P and end with the S. Now students, if you will see that in the word permutation having the 12 letters, अगर हमारे पास इसमें P और S दोनों letters की जो position है वो fix हो जाए, means P and S, the word will start with the P and end with S, their positions are fixed, then how many letters, how many words will be formed? Number of the words that will be formed, that will come as equal to, now the two letters are fixed, means remaining are 10 there, that is 10 factorial upon how many letters are there students? Those are repeating. You see that TT is repeating, that is 2 factorial, means 10 factorial upon 2 factorial. So it will come as equal to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial upon 2 factorial. So it will cancel out students. We multiply them, and on the multiplication what you will get 1814400, and this is the answer of the first part. Let us come with the second part students. All vowels are together. Now what will happen? We will check that there are the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, right? We are taking these vowels as one letter now, means here, but you know that if I am taking these 4 letters are there, if we can change their position also. So there are the 4 ways to write these vowels now, right? And rest of the letters are now, that is P, R, M, T, T, S. और बच्चों जो ये वाला हमारा एक वर्ड जिसको हमने नाम दिया, इसको हमने X का नाम दे दिया, तो हमारे बन गए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? That is P. There are total number of the letters that we having now. Now students, there are the letters that is now we having P, R, M and double T and S. X we will having this letter, that is one of the vowel now. So there are 8 letters are there, right? So how we can write now? By using FPI, FPC, the required number of the words, required number of words that will come students. अब यहाँ पे नोट करने की बात है कि 8 letters हो गए, 8 factorial upon there are the 2 letters that they are repeating, that is 2 factorial into ये जो हमारे vowels हैं इनको 5 ways हो गए इनको लिखने के। 5 ways कैसे? पहले पोजीशन के ऊपर A रहेगा तो बाकी 4 की पोजीशन यहाँ पे रहेगी, अगली बारी A जो है वो E आगे आ जाएगा बच्चों, तो ये हो जाएगा there are the 5 ways are there, right? So now what you can say, this is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial over 2 factorial into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and on solving what the answer you will get 2419200 students. While you will multiply them, I have already multiplied them students because it will take time. and that is why the calculation work you do yourself, your answer will come as equal to this. So that is your question number 11, its second part. Student, if you will read the third part, that is also same, so try to solve that part yourself.